Welcome to the world of honor roll crafts. Imagine there's somebody that you love and you just want to give them a flower, but you don't see any flowers around and you're too young to go to the store. What would you do? What I would do is I would paint them flowers. Today, we are going to be making these gorgeous roses in less than 5 minutes. Come join along and make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome craft content. You are not going to believe how easy this is. There is a little trick, so stay and watch. All you're going to need is a canvas, a palette for your paint, paintbrush, a large soft Ziploc bag, paint, duh. Do not throw out your toilet paper rolls. They are very useful for this project. A straw to blow up the bag. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. And then beads and ribbon for extra decor. To start off, we're going to fill our palette with paint. I chose red and green. Here we go. Let's get that out here. And the green, I need in a wider space, so I'm going to put it in that spot. Okay, now I know you thought we're first going to start with the paintbrush, but we're actually not. We are going to start with our Ziploc bag. I'm going to take the Ziploc bag. I don't really feel like it's safe to blow up a bag with your mouth, so I am going to blow it up with the straw. I'm going to zip it almost to the end and then blow. There we go. Nice and full. I don't want it totally full. And then I'm going to do something a little funny. I'm going to twist it so I have a nice point at the end. And this is actually how we're going to paint the flowers. I know this still might not be making any sense, but if you notice, you see how it's like this beautiful design over here? That actually was not painted with a paintbrush. That was painted with a Ziploc bag. Here we go. Let's get rolling. Now I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to paint the edge point of the Ziploc bag. It almost looks like a triangle, but I'm going to do it all the way around. I'm going to fill up the whole thing with paint. Sometimes roses look so hard, but with this trick, it is so simple. I'm going to continue getting it. I want it really filled, the whole corner. I am so excited to do this. I know you're in suspense. There are a few different designs I can make. I can choose to put my flowers out like this in a garden, or in a beautiful bundle, or in a vase. I love when you come up with your amazing creative ideas. So right now I'm going to take it and I'm going to start on the side. 1, 2, 3. How gorgeous. I'm going to do it again. I might need a refill again, but let me see. I'm going to do this one a little higher. See how the bag just goes down and makes that gorgeous shape? Stunning! I can't. I know you want to try this right away. You could pause the video and get the supplies and do it with me. Here we go. I'm going to refill a little more. Oops, that paint is flying a little everywhere. Here we go. Okay. And now again, I'm going to do another flower lower down. Stunning. Another one higher up. And I'm going to refill for the last one. It is crazy how simple this is. You just press it down and boom. Everyone is going to think you're this grand artist all the way from France. You can decide if you want to tell them the trick or you don't. That's up to you. I'm gonna do this one again. Stunning. Now everything in this painting is actually a trick. Even the leaves is another trick. So I'm gonna put this away somewhere where the paint doesn't get everywhere. And now I'm going to take another paintbrush for the stem. Nice little stems over here. Beautiful. For the stems, I'm just making nice straight lines. You can make them straight, a little wavy. Each flower, each stem looks different and beautiful. You do not have to be the same. I'm gonna spread out my green paint. And for the leaves, I know sometimes leaves can be a little hard to get them right, so this is going to be your stencil. You're going to take your toilet paper roll, pinch both corners, and now I'm going to dip this into the paint. I'm gonna make sure I get it everywhere. And now I'm gonna put one leaf down, press down, and voila, stunning. If I want it to be a little thinner, I just squeeze the toilet paper, roll a little bit. Beautiful. Now this side, let's see how many leaves I can get. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. This one I'm gonna be doing off the paper a little bit. Oh my gosh, stunning. This is really, really something else. That needs a little more. I said under 5 minutes. I think that was like under 3 minutes. Can you believe it? If you want, you can add a little more detail to the leaves. I'm going to make a straight line in each one, and then a little V. V, just like that. Little letter V. And V for voila. Even just like this is so stunning, but if you want to add that little extra pop and more detail, you can add whatever you'd like to the top. I found these little bees in the dollar store that I am going to stick on just to give it that little perfect touch. And look how gorgeous. I know you're still in shock that you painted it with just a Ziploc bag. Now remember, sometimes when you're blowing, it might deflate, and that's why we have the straw. You could just re-inflate it and continue pressing. I know, how adorable. If you decided that you want to do one more in a bouquet, that is exactly why we have the string. Because for the string, I took any ribbon, any string I have lying around, I make a little bow, and then just glue it on right there. And this is the perfect gift for anyone you want to say, I love you to. Wasn't that fun and easy? I know you loved it. Whether you made the bouquet or the garden, you can turn this into the most beautiful gift or something you just want to hang in your room. Now, if you want to see more crafts like this, just like and subscribe and leave a comment on what craft you want us to create together next time.
You're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to play. You're on a roll. Arts and crafts every day. And if you want to make this world a better place with your art, you're on a roll.